Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC series, today we're going to understand critical activities in structural works, method statement for reinforcement work. In our previous videos, we have already covered method statement for excavation, backfilling, and concrete works. Let's continue with reinforcement work.
Why reinforcement works are important? Reinforcement works are critical because they provide strength to concrete. They resist tensile forces. Any mistake leads to structural failure. That's why reinforcement must be properly controlled. What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures controlled and safe execution of work. What is reinforcement work? Reinforcement work includes cutting of steel bars, bending of reinforcement, fixing as per drawings, tying and spacing, placement, inside formwork. Reinforcement gives strength and durability to structures. What is method statement for reinforcement works? Method statement for reinforcement works describes how reinforcement will be fabricated and fixed, type and grade of steel, quality control measures, safety requirements. It ensures reinforcement is installed as per design. Objective of reinforcement method statement. Main objectives are ensure correct bar size and spacing, maintain cover and alignment, prevent structural defects, ensure compliance with drawings, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to foundations, columns, beams, slabs, walls, all reinforced concrete elements at all project locations. Reference documents. Reinforcement works shall comply with approved structural drawings, bar bending schedules, BBS, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, ITP for reinforcement works, relevant codes and standards. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall coordination, site engineer, execution and supervision, QA, QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, storekeeper, material control. Materials. Materials include reinforcement steel bars, binding wire, spacers, and cover blocks. All materials must be approved, tested, traceable. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used: bar cutting machine, bar bending machine, measuring tapes, hand tools. All equipment shall be inspected, safe to use. Storage of reinforcement. Reinforcement steel shall be stored on raised platforms, protected from rust, properly tagged and identified. Improper storage affects quality. Cutting and bending of reinforcement. Reinforcement shall be cut and bent as per BBS, using approved machines, checked for dimensions. No unauthorized bending is allowed. Fixing of reinforcement. Fixing shall be done as per approved drawings, with correct bar size and spacing, proper lapping and anchorage, secure tying with binding wire. Cover and spacing control. This ensure required concrete cover, use of approved cover blocks, correct spacing between bars. Incorrect cover leads to durability issues. Lapping and anchorage. Lapping shall be as per drawings and codes at approved locations, properly tied and staggered. Anchorage must meet design requirements. Safety measures. Safety controls include use of PPE, safe handling of steel bars, proper housekeeping, no protruding sharp edges. Quality control measures. Quality checks include verification of bar size, spacing and quantity check, cover block inspection, reinforcement alignment, QA/QC approval. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes internal inspection by QA/QC, consultant client inspection, approval before concreting. Concrete shall not be poured without approval. Records maintained. Records include reinforcement inspection request, material test certificates, BBS approvals, inspection reports. Common reinforcement defects. Common defects include incorrect bar spacing, insufficient cover, missing bars, improper lapping. These defects can cause structural failure. ISO and QA/QC compliance reinforcement method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 40001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with method statement for concrete works, ITP for reinforcement, NCR control procedure, CAPA procedure, document control procedure. Conclusion. Method statement for reinforcement works ensures structural safety, quality compliance, correct execution, controlled construction. If this video helped you understand method statement for reinforcement works clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.